In this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from 5th to 9th December 2022. Now gold on a weekly time frame after finding strong support at this key level which we drew in our previous 2 weeks market analysis. On the basis of these multiple retest points that we had, expecting gold to be making some small pullback over here and then continue pushing up, continuing this bullish run over here. And that's exactly what happened this week, which you can have a better visual if you go to a 4-hour time frame. As you can see in this 4-hour time frames analysis on our previous weekly analysis, we saw how gold just made a breakout of this downtrend channel with this bullish move after a retest on this key level. Then we have some sort of confirmation that gold is done making its small pullback over here and might be starting to push up in respect to this bullish run over here. And that's exactly what happened throughout this week. As you can see, this breakout of this downtrend channel and gold started to form this higher lows and then continued pushing up, making a breakout of that previous high and creating this new higher high. So that is exactly what you are seeing currently over here. As you can see, it is after creating this higher high, currently retesting this previous high over here, where it might face some sort of reaction over here, some sort of resistance over here. Now on the bullish side, we have this key level and this key zone with multiple major retest points. If you can zoom out, then you can see where we expect gold to continue pushing up to if it continues this bullish run over here in respect to that newly formed uptrend line. And also if gold faces some sort of reaction towards this high, then we can expect some sort of correction move towards any of the key zones over here, which you can see better on a shorter time frame. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see our support at this key level which we just talked about on the weekly time frame, and also our recent resistance at this key level with these retest points over here. Now in between these two higher time frame support and resistance, we also have this key zone on a shorter time frame point of view where gold found its recent support at. As you can see, this is strong price ejection it faced after a retest on this key zone over here. So on a higher time frame point of view, we need gold to make a breakout of this key level with further bullish momentum for gold to continue pushing up in respect to this bullish run over here towards this key level or this key zone over here. Similarly, for gold to continue pushing down, we need gold to make a breakout of this key zone over here for gold to continue pushing down to make some again correction move towards any of the key levels or this support level over here. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see the same key zones and levels that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame, and also we can see our support at this key zone and also our resistance over here at this key level. So on the upcoming week, if we see gold making a break and close above this high with further bullish momentum, at least on a shorter time frame like a 30 minutes time frame, we can start to look for trace on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum in hopes of gold continuing this bullish run over here by making this small pullback and also by forming a newly formed uptrend line which might look something like this, and for gold to continue pushing up in respect to that uptrend line towards this key level over here or all the way towards this key zone which we just talked about on the weekly time frame. However, if we see gold finding some sort of resistance over here and making a break and close below this key zone which you see on this 4-hour time frame over here with further bearish momentum, then the same way we started to look for trace on the long side, we can start to look for trace on the short side, hoping gold to make some deeper correction move towards this key level or all the way towards this key zone over here as part of its correction move. But that is very highly unlikely to happen, seeing how much of this bullish momentum gold has, and it has been creating these higher lows. So there could be a possibility of gold forming a new kind of uptrend line over here for something looking like this or something looking like this for gold to continue pushing up. But still we have to wait for a break and close either above this key zone or below this key zone to look for trace whether on the long side or whether on the short side. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll give a link to this trading view chart as well in the video description. I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.